Peace, love, light, balance, kings and queens. I'm Cree and you're now in my kitchen. Today I'm going to do a vegetarian take on the steak and cheese sub, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's get started. Okay, over here I have mushrooms. Yes, I like mushrooms in my steak and cheese sub. I have bella mushrooms, but if you have white mushrooms, it's okay. Whatever mushrooms that you prefer, use them. Okay, I also have diced yellow onion, and it cannot be a vegetarian sub without the vegetarian meat, so I have the vegetarian crumbles here. I have the hoagie rolls here with sesame seed. I have the provolone cheese. I have jalapeno peppers for my fireballs out there. Like, you know, you like yourself spicy like I do, use some jalapeno peppers at the end. Of course, some mayo. Okay, and here comes the seasoning, so pay attention because I like my food flavorful. No one likes it bland. Okay, who likes bland food? Nobody. Okay, so right here we have half a tablespoon of sea salt, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of cilantro leaves or flakes, however you want to say it, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my seasonings up, okay? Yes. So while I'm mixing my seasonings up, after this is mixed up, I like to go ahead and mix my seasonings because so when I add it to the meat, it can be all incorporated. So one side won't be salty and one side won't have, you know, more pepper than the other, you know. Okay. All right, so my seasonings is mixed up. Let's go ahead and dump our veggie crumbles in our mixing bowl. It's one bag. This is 2 bags, you guys. And the seasonings go just for 2 bags, okay? It goes just right. The seasonings goes just right for 2 bags. I'm going to throw this in the trash. Hold on. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead on and add our seasonings to our pad of veggie crumbles. All right, and we're gonna mix this up. And make sure you mix it up really well. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I haven't eaten anything all day, so yes, I will be eating me a sub at the end of this video, okay? Okay. Alright, I think that's a good mix. Next, we're going to get our extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to put that in our big pan. See how it's mixed up really well? Ooh, it smells so good, you guys. Let me go ahead and put this in the sink. I missed you guys. This is my 2nd time going live. Woo woo. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to Cree's Kitchen on YouTube. Make sure that you like, comment, and share, and also click that notification bell too, so you know when I'm uploading new videos. All right. So let me go ahead and heat my pan up, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, not too much. Okay. Alrighty. I'm just transferring everything over here, you guys, okay? That's all I'm doing. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, we're gonna let this heat up for a little bit. Yes. Because in order for the meat to get cracking, the oil got to be popping. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that my oil gets hot. Because we like the oil to be hot. Once you try this recipe with the seasonings and all of that, I'm telling you, it's going to knock your socks off. I'm telling you, it's so good. Okay, I think I hear my oil. Oh yes, that's what I like to hear. Yes. There's nothing like that sound right there. Everybody come out the room when they hear something sizzling in the pot. Alright. Oh yes, I can cook too. I can cook, I can bake. Yes. I got something real special coming up for you guys. I might go IG live on that one though. And make sure that you follow Cree's Kitchen on IG. That's CRI.kitchen. Yes. And add a little bit more of this olive oil, you guys. I like for my veggie crumbles to still get that brownness. This is the oil that I use. It's bomb too. Make sure it says rich. Woo! It's good. But what I was saying is I like that, you know, that brown crisp on your meat. I love that brown crisp on the meat. Even though this is veggie meat, it still gives you that brown crisp like regular ground beef. Alright, I'm going to turn this down. My heat down to like on 8, which is like a medium high. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onion. Nothing like a smell of some onion or some green peppers and onion. Woo, that combination alone. Oh my goodness. Yeah, people are knocking on your door from around the corner with onion. If you can smell the love in this pot here. My goodness. Okay, we're going to saute this until the onions get kind of like transparent, okay? Yes. You almost see I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. And I'm going to sit here and I'm going to let this cook for a little bit. Okay, so while this is cooking, because it don't take long to cook this. Let me get those last little onions in there. It don't take long to cook this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and toast my bread. So I'm going to put this on broil high. And I like to toast my bread with it open. So I open it up like this. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Yes. Okay. We're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. My oven is telling me to get started. What are you doing? I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 hoagie rolls in there. Alright, let's go ahead and get that toasted up. Yes, it's smoking in this kitchen because you know why? It's so yummy. I mean, my goodness. My goodness. Woo. Smells so good. Okay, let me go ahead on and add my mushrooms. Mushrooms is added. I got my little water here. I like to sprinkle a little water to help with these little mushrooms. kind of steam them out a little bit. Like I said, this don't take long to cook, you guys. Oh my. Look at that. As my son will say, look at that. Tahini. Tahini drink. I'm just turning my heat down as it cooks down, I'm turning my heat down too as well. Don't nobody want no burnt food or have that starch taste of burnt food. Who does that? Who burns? Those that's cooking along with me, what's up? What's up? What's up? I hope I'm not moving too fast. Like I said, it's an easy recipe. Alright, let me check my roll real quick, you guys. And just like that, it's toasted. Let me turn it over. It don't take that long to toast no bread when it's on high like that, you guys. Keep that in mind. Oh, yes. You can tell when your mushrooms is kind of done too because they'll start to shrink. And then, you know, when it's shrinking, that means that it's softening up a little bit, so therefore your mushrooms is done. Okay? Alright. So right now I got my heat on like a medium low. For those that got the numbers, that's like 5. Okay, let me go ahead and take my bread out. My bread is toasted. See, kind of toast. You don't want no burnt bread either. Won't never catch me slipping with burning something. If I do burn something, you won't know about it. It's called editing. You got to be on point when you're on live, though, you know. All right. You're almost there. Ooh, it smells so good, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Last up is the star of the show, which is that provolone cheese. This is the star, you guys. I love me some cheese. I don't drink milk, but I like cheese. Ain't that something? Alright, let me go ahead and turn this down to number 2. And yes, I'm going to be using my whole pack of a 12 slice. Judge me if you want to, I don't care. This is my chef. Okay. And this is how I do increase Cajun. Like everybody say Chef Cree. Oh, look at that. Alright, let me throw this in the trash. And what we're going to do, we're going to splish splash plum on the cheese too. Because this helps melt the cheese, you guys. Just a little water. That helps melt. See? Like magic. Boom, it's melting. I'm melting. I turned up my heat a little bit. Alrighty. We're going to let this cheese melt down. And while that cheese is melting down, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my hoagie roll with some mayo. And it's going to be good. Mayo. Not Miracle Whip. Mayo. Okay? Nothing wrong with Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip is a little sweeter taste. And I don't want that on my sub. So I use like Miracle Whip sometimes. With like if I'm making like a salad or something like that, I ain't even going front, I don't use Miracle Whip like that. But I'm just saying if I did use Miracle Whip, it would be like with a salad or some type of macaroni salad or something. Okay, my cheese is almost melted down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat off. Come on, cheese, let's melt. If I had something big enough to cover this would have been melted. Because it don't take that long to melt. Alright, I'm going to be fancy dancy and add some parsley flakes up in here. Ooh, not this one, because this one ain't open. I'm going to just add some. So my outro in. How about that? Flakes. You know, just for that look, you know what I'm saying? That fresh look, like, yes. She ready. I don't use a lot of mayo. Okay, my cheese is melted down. I'm almost done, you guys. I told you this is a real quick video. Quick. I feel like I'm going too fast or something. It was just that quick. Alright. Let's go ahead and scoop. Go right in the middle. What the heck? Let's just go for it. Yes, put it right up there. Look at that. Woo! That's what we like to see. Go ahead and get your jalapeno peppers. You add a few up there. Like I said, I'm a fireball, so I like mine's kind of spicy. And there you have it. The take on steak and cheese vegetarian style. I'm telling you, it's good, okay? I'm about to take a bite. Let's see how it tastes, which I already know is the bomb. I'm telling you. It's so good. For those that cook along, if you go and do my seasons exactly, it's not salty, it's not super duper hot unless you add your jalapeno peppers. It's just right. I'm telling you guys, you have to follow the ingredients precisely to the point, to the last molecule of whatever. It's that good. Don't skip a step, okay? All right, I'm about to go. Don't look at me. Get in the kitchen and get the cooking. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's Cree's Kitchen. And make sure you follow me on IG at Cree's Kitchen. That's CRI.kitchen. Y'all know I love you. Peace.